Hello and welcome to week 5 of the ordinary differential equations course. On week 5 we are going to start learning about second order differential equations. I want to apologize, today's lecture is going to be a bit dry. There are no illustrations, it's just reasoning and abstract mathematics. Please note that in order to understand today's lecture you need to review linear algebra in particular, because a lot of material from today's lecture is heavily based on things like determinant, linear dependence, vector space. Let's do a little bit of revision first. So recall that we've learned a general form of a second order differential equation, of a first order differential equation. Recall that every initial value problem has a unique solution, but the interval where a solution is defined could be smaller than the interval where the right hand side of the differential equation is defined. So this is if it is a general, maybe non-linear differential equation. So the advantage of a linear differential equation is that the solution is going to be defined on exactly the same interval as the right hand side of the differential equation, or in this case coefficients at y and the free term q of t. So we didn't really pay any particular attention to linear first order differential equations with constant coefficients, but of course it is possible that these p of t and q of t are constant, right? So in this case we are going to denote them by just a and b. So the absence of t tells you that they are constant. Right, so let us solve this linear equation with constant coefficients in most general form. Right, so recall that in order to solve a linear equation we need to multiply it by the integrating factor. Then the left-hand side of the differential equation becomes a very convenient form. It is the derivative of the product of the unknown function and the integrating factor. Right, so then we can integrate it back, and then we are going to get the answer. So that's how it works for the very, very simple, maybe the simplest possible differential equation, a linear first order with constant coefficients.